This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
This delicious mushroom and croissant dressing is an amazing twist on a Thanksgiving cult classic. The croissants really bring a rich, buttery goodness to this dish that you can get nowhere else. So croissants are the way to go. We've got about 15 of these small croissants. We're going to break them up into bite-sized pieces. It'll help the croissants absorb a lot of that moisture. Evenly place them on this half sheet pan. This one's actually perforated, so it's going to allow these croissants to absorb a lot of that Kingsford hickory smoke that's being produced out there. We've got the RT 590 pre-100. We've got the RT 590 pre-100. Pre-100. Can I get about pre-150? All right, we've got everything broken up. I've got the RT 590 pre-100 at pre-100. You son of a... I've got the RT 590 preheated at 375 degrees outside. Come on, let's go on outside, everybody. Just to give a little recap, we have toasted our delicious croissants out on the RT 590 using that delicious Kingsford hickory pellet. We've also sauteed our mushrooms, onions, and celery with thyme. We've got that deliciousness mixed together and married all together. What is really going to bring this recipe together and bring out that mushroom flavor are going to be these smoked and then dried porcini mushrooms. So we've actually rehydrated these for about 3 minutes in boiling water. And what that leaves you is this delicious mushroom tea concoction. That's where we're going to get all of our flavor. That's what's going to give us that umami goodness that's going to marry all of that deliciousness together and make you the hit of your Thanksgiving day. Let's get to doing it, ladies and gentlemen. First thing I need is my delicious dish. Yes, you got to start with delicious dishes to have delicious food as well. We're also going to butter this dish too. Oh, delicious. I love butter. I'm saying delicious a lot, but it's warranted because all of these recipes are delicious because of the recteq grill and Kingsford pellet combination. I mean, you can't go wrong. Butter dish. So we're going to start with a mixing bowl. We're going to beat 3 eggs. Now we've got these eggs beaten. I'm going to add our veggies that were cooked on the RT 590. And again, what's going to make this the best of the best is this delicious mushroom tea with those smoked, then dried porcini mushrooms. This is going to give us that good flavor. Dump all of that in there. We're going to dump our parsley in there, our sugar, and then now we're going to mix in our croissant pieces. And again, looks like we need a bigger bowl. Ugh. Thanks, Chef. Awesome. Now we've got everything in a big bowl again. We're going to lightly toss it. You don't want to break up all of those croissants. I'm going to season this with some of our favorite seasoning, our Colden's Freakin Greek Rub, available at recteq.com. And liberally season it. The croissants start absorbing all of that delicious moisture. So we're looking a little dry, so we're going to slowly add in again, very slowly add in some of our chicken broth to give it just a little bit more moisture. Not much, ladies and gentlemen. Again, you don't want it to be soupy. You don't want it to be sloppy. You just want it to be nice and moisturized. Isn't that looking good? We're looking good to go here. Let's get our baking dish here. Oh yeah, look how beautiful that is. Again, don't be afraid to kind of pack this down in there to make sure it fits. Now we're gonna go outside, out to the back porch. Our RT590 is preheated at 375 degrees, that perfect temperature for this. Again, we're burning the Kingsford hickory pellet. It's gonna give us great smoke flavor, good consistent heat with very little ash production. Perfect for Thanksgiving. Wow, this smoked mushroom and croissant dressing is absolutely amazing. We knocked it out of the park thanks to that hickory Kingsford pellet and the RT590 from recteq. This is a dish our family is sure to enjoy. Again, the most important part of this, what makes it, is that delicious smoked, then dried mushrooms. We created that mushroom tea. That's what gave us our nice umami. The croissants absorbed that. The rich, buttery goodness from the croissants comes out. It's time to serve this up. It's time to take it to the holiday table. But first, it's time to take a little chef's test. I just want to make sure it tastes great for my family. Get some delicious mushrooms, some croissant in there. Wow. Golden, buttery, delicious. You can taste that earthiness, almost beefiness from those mushrooms, that delicious umami. Croissant gave it a delicious texture. Wow. The Kingsford hickory pellet with the RT590 absolutely knocked this dish out of the park. It's so delicious, so savory. This is for sure to be one of your family's favorite dishes this Thanksgiving Day, this holiday season. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the Kingsford and recteq YouTube channels for more amazing holiday content. Happy holidays.